Charlie. Ito yung Charlie, di ba? Ay, ito. Nasa Charlie pala tayo. Nagulat ako dun sa lalaki. This is the boiler room. This is the new host of the Real Star. Arnold ano? Pilido mo? Ha? Panganiban? Arnold Panganiban is checking Building C. Yeah. Arnold, smile. Smile. Oh, yes sir.
It's open.
It's open?
It's heat exchanger before startup.
Needs heat
Exchanger before startup.
First one.
So,
Okay.
so we're checking if there's a puddle, water, any leakage on the boiler room.
Yes, master.
Alright. We can go here. There's a puddle. Water.
Nol. Dito ka, hindi naapakan yan. Baka lumubog ka dyan. Oo, lulubog ka dyan.
This is not safe.
Nag-aaralan namin sa home inspection. Liga. Okay, master. Okay. Everything is good except to one heater.
The temperature is 130 degrees. So
Oh,
it's okay.
130 degree. It's good.
Yes.
Okay, master.
This fan is so huge.
Master, we need to close the door? Or what?
I forgot to close the door.
You forgot. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, master. If anyone see this video, please keep silent, ha?
So guys, this is our life in Canada.
Uh-huh.
This is what we do every day.
Yeah, super.
Superintendent, assistant, superintendent.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
I need to open the keys. So I have a lot of keys.
Before we came in, they have one guy stay in rooftop, right? Rooftop stair.
And he left evidence later.
Okay. Okay.
And a tissue. We're going to close it.
Okay. Let's go. Master, everything is done.
Yeah.
So we need to turn up the.
We need. Oh, this one is still broken. So
this
it's
one.
not safe.
Yeah.
He's bringing tissue. Bringing one. So when we came here, we found the guy. We did not take a picture of the guy. So this is the 29th floor. 24th, sorry. 24th floor.
24th floor. Okay.
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 And we have a damage here. The tile ceiling is broken, so probably let us
Check the chute.
garbage. So all right, we're
And
done
that's you're usually doing to
every day.
okay, to this kind of job.
All right.
Wait.
Yes.
I have a question.
What is your question?
Are you happy?
Of course. You're covering the camera.
Are you sure? You're happy, Okay. Close the camera.
Someone. Okay, here's my cameraman, Ronnie.
I'm a professional.
Ronnie De La Vega.
But, not today, because I'm sick.
He's also one of the assistant superintendent here in Main Square, Real Star. Okay, going down to the elevator. There I am.
See ya.
Okay. We're in the 24th floor. Okay, guys.
Yeah.
See you.
Last message,
Any-
If anyone see this video, please keep silent and please don't embarrass.